DNA and RNA base pairing worksheet. There are base pairing rules for writing complementary DNA strands. A always pairs with T or T with A. C always pairs with G or G with C. Write the complementary DNA strand for each given strand of DNA below. So here's your example. If you see a C, its pair is a G. If you see a G, its pair is a C. A T with an A with a T, and so on. Complete this line. And do the same for these two as well. Now, write the mRNA strand for the given DNA strand. So the base pairing rules for mRNA, A pairs with U or U with an A, C pairs with a G, and if you see a T in the DNA, that's going to pair with an A. So for number 4, A will go with U, T still goes with A, G with C, T with A, G with C, C with G. So this G would go with a C and continue your strand. Do the same down for 5 and 6. Same rules for mRNA as for tRNA. So write the tRNA strand from this mRNA. Now you'll see that there are no T's in this line. So if you have a U, it pairs with an A. If you have an A, it pairs with a U. Complete these 3 lines. For this one, it's a little different. You're going to use these pieces of RNA to give the original DNA strand. So remember, G and C always still go together, but there's no U in DNA, so that needs to be a T. Then keep going for the whole line. If it's a U, pretend it's like a T, so U pairs with A. Do that for 2 strands. For 12 and 13, you're going to use the chart at the bottom of this document, which I'll insert in a moment. Look up AUG in the big Punnett square makes the amino acid met. CAC is his, UGU is cis. Do that for 12 and 13. For 14 through 17, you're given the DNA, pair the mRNA to the line above, then use the mRNA line to pair the tRNA, and then use the chart to make the amino acids. For 18, 19, 20, and 21, you're going to use the mRNA to go backwards, figure out what the DNA strand is. Use the mRNA to go forwards, figure out what the tRNA strand is, and then use the chart at the bottom for your amino acids. And 22 is very similar. You're given DNA up at the top. The second line needs to be your mRNA. Your third line is your tRNA, and then use the chart for the amino acids. Come see us during office hours if this is confusing. Good luck.